Good morning, students. Yesterday we have solved two problems related to exercise 1.2. See, let us continue next one. That is third. A equals to question mark, B equals to -3, N equals to 18 and Nth equals to 5. Here we have to use the formula. See, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is An is given, that is 5. That is A question mark plus n minus 1, 18 minus 1. That is D minus 3. Okay. 5 equals to A plus 18 minus 1, that is 17 into, that is minus 3. Okay, 5 equals to A plus 17 3s are, that is minus 51. 5 equals to A plus into minus minus 51. So 5 minus 51, if it is transferred to this side, plus 51, that is equals to A. Therefore A equals to 51 plus 5, 56. A equals to 56. See once again, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 5. A, n is 18. 18 minus 1. Then D is minus 3. Then Anth 5. 18 minus 1, 17. 17 into 3. That is 17 3s are 51. Minus 51. Minus 51 is transferred to this side. That is plus 51. A equals to 56. Observe the problem once again. Say, if An equals to minus 5, what will be the value? Say, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D minus 5 equals to A plus 18 minus 1 into D, that is minus 3 minus 5 A plus 17 into minus 3. What happens? Minus 5 equals to A minus 51 minus 5 plus 51 equals to A, that is equals to A equals to 46. A equals to 46. See, if An equals to minus 5. Practice problems by changing the signs of these values. Okay. Next one, that is 4. A equals to minus 18.9. B equals to 2.5. Here n is asked, value of n. An is given, that is 3.6. Okay. Once again we have to use the formula. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is An 3.6. A minus 18.9 plus n question mark, that is n minus 1. D is 2.5. That is D is given 2.5. Okay. 3.6 equals to minus 18.9 plus in the bracket 2.5 into n, 2.5 n minus 2.5 into 100, 2 minus 2.5. Okay. 3.6 equals to minus 18.9 plus 2.5 into n, that is minus 2.5. Okay. 3.6 equals to minus 18.5 minus 2.5. Minus 18.5 minus 2.5. See, add this one like 18.9, 2.5. That is 21.4. 21.4 plus 2.5 n. Okay, 3.6 plus 21.4 equals to 2.5 n. Add 3.56 for this one. That is 25. That is 25 equals to 2.5 n. 2.5 n. Okay. Then we have to find the value of n. Value of n equals to 2.5 25 divided by 2.5. So n equals to 250 divided by 25. That decimal is removed. So 25 ones are 25 tens are. So n equals to 10. The value of n is 10. See, once again you see the problem. A equals to minus 18.9, d equals to 2.5, n we have to find, nth is given. After simplification, see 3.6 a minus 18.9 here, n minus 1 2.5. From 2.5 this term has to be multiplied. 2.5 into n 2.5 n minus 2.5 on the 2.5. After simplification, signs are same, so we have to add and we have to keep the same sign. 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21.4, that is minus 21.4 plus 2.5 n. Then minus 2.1 21.4 is being transferred to this side. 3.6 plus 21.4, that overall that value becomes, sum becomes 25, that is equals to 2.5 n. There we need n, so n equals to 25 divided by 2.5, that is decimal is removed, so numerator becomes 250 divided by 25, that is 25 ones are 25 tens are, n equals to 10. See, next in this main, that fifth last one. See here, a equals to 3.5, d equals to 0, n equals to 105, a equals to question mark. Usually we have to use that a equals to a plus n minus 1 d. A equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A how much? That we have to find out. A equals to 3.5 plus n equals to 105 minus 1, then d equals to 0. 3.5 plus 105 minus 104 into 0. 3.5 plus 104 into 0, 0, because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 3.5 plus 0 equals to 3.5. Therefore, a equals to 3.5. The value of a equals to 3.5. See, once again. See, the exercise 1.2 second main. We have completed the first main of 1.2. See, question number 2 in second main. Choose the correct choice. That means 4 answers are given, A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? We have to choose by solving this problem. 30th term of the AP 1074 is, whether it is 97 or 77 or minus 77 or d equals to minus or minus 87. Okay, let us check which one is the correct answer. Given AP 10, 7, 4 dash dash dash. Here first term A equals to 10, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10, which is equals to minus 3. N equals to 30. N equals to 30. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 10 plus n, 30 minus 1, D, that is minus 3. 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. 10 plus into minus, minus 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, minus 87, that is equals to minus 77. Which one? A 30th term. A 30th term is minus 77. Okay, here choices are given. Let us check minus 77 is present or not. A 97, B 77, C yes minus 77. Option C is the correct one. Option C is correct one. See once again, the 30th term of AP, given AP is 1074 as continuation. The options are given 97, 77, minus 77, minus 87. Here we have written the given AP 1074. We have to write the first term as A 10, D common difference, D as A2 minus 7, 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. Then n 30th term we have to find, that means n equals to 30. We have used a equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have substituted the values obtained. 10 equals to 30 minus 1, d is minus 3. 10 plus n minus 1, 30 minus 1 is 29, that is minus 3. 29 minus 3 is nothing but 29 3s are 87. So 10 minus 87, that is minus 77. So a 30th term is minus 77. Okay, you observe that one. Next I will write the second question. Okay, see the second question. The 11th term of AP, the 11th term of AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, continuation. That options are A 28, B 22, C minus 38, D minus 48 integer 1 by 2. Okay, let us write down the given question, that is given AP. That is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, that is 2, continuation. The first term is A equals to minus 3. Common difference we have to find, D equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2, minus of minus 3. So, minus 1 by 2 plus 3. The LCM of these two terms is 2. 2 1s are, 1 2s are. That is minus 1, 3 2s are 6. That is plus 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 2 is the common difference. 5 by 2 is the common difference. Next, n is 11. N is 11. So, we have to use an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equals to a minus 3 plus n 11 minus 1 d. How much? 5 by 2. Okay, minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 10 into 5 by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are, that is equals to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. That is A11 is 22. Then observe the given options, 28, 22, minus 38, minus 48 integer 1 by 2. It is 22 is the correct option for the given question. Okay, observe everyone, every problem and see the method in what way we have solved. Okay, today I will use some homework problems of this type, of second type, that is given AP like that, but options will not be given. So the answer obtained you have to tell me. See, 4 problems I have given. See, solve without fail. Okay, thank you.